Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by turning off your Conga 5090 and unplugging it from the charger. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery compartment, which is typically found on the underside of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery cover. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. You may notice some dust or debris inside the compartment. It's a good idea to use your soft cloth to clean this area before proceeding. A clean environment helps maintain the efficiency of your device. Now, carefully disconnect the old battery. You will see a connector that needs to be unplugged. Gently pull it out, taking care not to damage any surrounding components. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need without any pressure. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the connectors of the new battery with the socket in the compartment. Push firmly but gently until you hear a click, indicating it's securely connected. Before replacing the battery cover, take a moment to check that everything is in order. If you notice any loose wires or components, ensure they are properly secured. Once satisfied, place the battery cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. If you're feeling uncertain about any part of this process, don't hesitate to consider our collection and delivery at your home service. This way, you can avoid the hassle of travel and ensure your device is handled by professionals. After securing the battery cover, it's time to test your Conga 5090. Plug it back into the charger and turn it on. Observe if it powers up correctly and check if it's functioning as expected. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Finally, ensure that you dispose of the old battery responsibly. Many local councils offer recycling services for batteries, so check your local guidelines. This not only helps the environment, but also keeps your workspace tidy. In summary, changing the battery in your Conga 5090 is a straightforward process that can be accomplished with a few simple tools and steps. If at any point you feel overwhelmed, remember that our services are here to assist you, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.